Most people think the most dangerous insects are the ones they see every day. Mosquitoes, houseflies, cockroaches. But surprisingly, some of the insects linked to serious illnesses are the ones many people know almost nothing about. Some hide in cracks and dark corners. Others attach themselves quietly without being noticed. And one tiny insect has been associated with a disease that may affect the heart years later. The good news? Most encounters with these insects do not lead to serious illness. But awareness matters, because knowing what to watch for may help you protect yourself and your family. Tonight, we're revealing the household insects doctors and public health experts say you should never ignore, why some may carry health risks, and the simple precautions that may help keep your home safer. I'm Dr. Richard Prime. Now let's begin. The bug many people have never heard of. Here's where things get interesting. One of the lesser-known insects doctors occasionally discuss is the kissing bug. These insects are primarily found in certain parts of the United States, especially southern regions. They often feed at night, and while many people have never seen one, public health experts pay attention to them because they may carry a parasite associated with Chagas disease. Now, it's important to understand this. Most people bitten by kissing bugs never develop serious complications. But awareness matters because symptoms may be mild or absent at first. Some people experience fever, fatigue, body aches, swelling near the bite site, and in rare cases, long-term complications involving the heart or digestive system. That's why experts recommend avoiding panic, but never ignoring unusual symptoms after insect exposure. Stay with me, because the next insect is far more common, and doctors take it very seriously. The tiny insect linked to Lyme disease, ticks. Despite their small size, ticks can carry several infections. One of the most recognized is Lyme disease. Ticks are often picked up while walking through wooded areas, tall grass, or even from pets that spend time outdoors. Early symptoms may include fatigue, fever, headaches, muscle aches, joint pain, and sometimes a distinctive expanding rash. If left untreated, Lyme disease may affect the joints, nervous system, and heart. Doctors recommend checking your skin, clothing, and pets after spending time outdoors, because finding a tick early can make a tremendous difference. The household pest that rides on pets. Now here's another insect many people underestimate: fleas. Most people associate fleas with itchy pets, but fleas may occasionally carry bacteria linked to illnesses such as murine typhus in certain regions. Thankfully, these infections remain relatively uncommon. Still, flea infestations may cause itching, skin irritation, allergic reactions, and secondary skin infections from excessive scratching. That's why veterinarians and doctors encourage regular flea prevention for household pets. And the next one may be hiding much closer than you think, because millions of people encounter it every year. The insect that destroys sleep bed bugs. The good news? Bed bugs are not considered major disease spreaders, but that doesn't mean they should be ignored. Bed bug infestations may contribute to sleep disruption, anxiety, stress, itchy skin reactions, and skin infections caused by repeated scratching. Many people dismiss these problems because they aren't life-threatening, but poor sleep and chronic stress may quietly affect overall health over time. Doctors recommend inspecting mattresses, washing bedding regularly, and addressing infestations promptly, because quality sleep matters tremendously. The summer insect. Everyone knows now. Let's talk about one of the most familiar insects on this list: mosquitoes. Most mosquito bites are harmless, but mosquitoes remain important from a public health perspective because certain species may spread illnesses such as West Nile virus, dengue fever in travel-related situations, and Zika virus in specific regions. Fortunately, serious complications remain relatively uncommon, but experts recommend taking mosquito prevention seriously, especially older adults and individuals with weakened immune systems. Simple steps include using insect repellent, wearing protective clothing outdoors, removing standing water around the home, and keeping windows properly screened. But the final two insects may already be inside your home, and millions of families see them almost every day. The fly. Most people ignore houseflies. At first glance, they seem harmless, mostly annoying, but houseflies often land on garbage, animal waste, and contaminated surfaces before landing on food. Because of that, they may contribute to the spread of bacteria associated with gastrointestinal illness. Doctors recommend simple precautions. Keep food covered, take out garbage regularly, clean kitchen surfaces, and avoid leaving dirty dishes out for extended periods. Small habits matter because prevention often starts with cleanliness. The household insect almost everyone recognizes, and finally, cockroaches. For many people, cockroaches represent nothing more than an unpleasant nuisance, but doctors and allergy specialists know they can affect health in important ways. Cockroach particles may trigger allergy symptoms, asthma flare-ups, coughing, wheezing, especially children and sensitive individuals. They may also contaminate food and surfaces as they move throughout the home. That's why experts recommend sealing cracks, fixing leaks, storing food properly, cleaning crumbs and spills quickly, and seeking professional pest control when necessary. Why most people wait too long. Here's something doctors notice constantly. Many people ignore small warning signs. They assume it's probably nothing. It's just a bug bite. It'll go away. And sometimes they're right. Most insect encounters never become serious, but occasionally symptoms deserve attention, especially if you experience fever after an insect bite, a spreading rash, difficulty breathing, severe swelling, persistent weakness, neurological symptoms, or worsening illness after known exposure. Those symptoms should always be evaluated professionally. The simple precautions doctors recommend. So, what can families actually do? Fortunately, prevention doesn't have to be complicated. Doctors and public health experts commonly recommend keeping kitchens clean, storing food properly, removing standing water, using insect repellents when appropriate, checking pets regularly for fleas and ticks, inspecting the skin after outdoor activities, washing bedding frequently, sealing cracks and entry points around the home, using screens on doors and windows, and seeking medical advice when unusual symptoms appear, because awareness is often the best form of prevention. The real lesson. Most people learn too late. And honestly, most people don't think much about insects until something goes wrong. But the goal isn't fear, it's awareness. Most of these insects never cause serious illness. Most encounters end without complications. But understanding the potential risks allows you to make smarter decisions. Protect your home, protect your pets, pay attention to warning signs, and don't ignore symptoms that persist or worsen. Because healthy living isn't about panic, it's about preparation. Before we end tonight's conversation, remember this. The insects around us are often more annoying than dangerous, but some may carry health risks that deserve respect. Simple precautions, better awareness, early action when needed. Those habits may help protect the people you love most. Before we end tonight's conversation, here's something worth remembering. The goal of this video was never to make you afraid of every insect you see around your home. Fear rarely helps people make better decisions. Awareness does. The truth is, most insects we encounter every day will never cause serious illness. But some can carry risks that many people simply don't know about. And often, the difference between a minor problem and a major one comes down to paying attention early. Notice unusual symptoms. Take bites and rashes seriously when they don't improve. Keep your home clean, protect your pets, and don't ignore changes in your health just because you assume they're normal. One of the greatest gifts we can give ourselves as we age is not perfection, it's awareness. The willingness to learn, adapt, and take small preventive steps before problems become bigger ones. Because healthy living isn't about living in fear of the world around us. It's about understanding it well enough to protect ourselves wisely. Stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, continue taking care of the body that's taken care of you for all these years. Thank you for spending this time with me. I'm Dr. Richard Prime, and I'll see you in the next video.